Welcome to Simple 3D. Today I'm going to show you how to download multiple PDF files from a web page. In this case, I'm just Googling free books of file type PDF just to generate a list with PDF links. You could generally use this way of downloading multiple PDF files for other situations, for example, any other page where you could think of lists with PDF files that you can simply download by clicking on them, or not even download by clicking on them, but actually that you will open by clicking on them in another tab or just view them in the browser. So, how do we get started? I make a right click. I do a right click on the element or just really anywhere in my browser window. I click on inspect. This opens this browser inspector here. I'm using Google Chrome. You could also use Firefox. I'm using Linux. You could also do the same thing on any other operating system which runs the major browsers. And right here you have our magic console. I already prepared this line which loads all the A tags, which are the links, as here for example one of the HTML links on the website. It's also marking where the link is located here in the visual, and just by pressing enter we now loaded all types of such links, for example also this one here and that one, into an array. For these arrays we can easily ask the browser to download every element just by running this code, which will also be supplied below this video. So if you want to go ahead and download whatever you want to download, just serve yourself with everything you find under the video. So right here you can see it's downloading multiple PDF files. I'm just going to go a bit into the details of how I do that here. After creating all these elements to download from, I use the forEach function to go through the array. I load the href of every such HTML tag. Here, for example, you see that the href is actually referencing the PDF file, the first PDF file on the page. We have a lot of other links as well, like for example the link to the images or to the books here, and we don't want to follow them. So I look for all the links, which I define here with the href. I look for all the links which end on the PDF file extension. And then to all these elements I add the download option, give it a file name, which is supposed to be the downloaded file's name, and then I simulate a click on this very link, and this creates the download as you were able to see. And in the end we have downloaded a bunch of files here very quickly and efficiently. And I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, and please leave a like, maybe subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.